What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 6 best mattress to buy. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, and find out more information about these best mattress to buy, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Tuft and Needle Tea, and an original mattress. Best foam mattress under $1,000. Tuft and Needle's all-foam mattress is a great option for two reasons. First, it's a top-rated foam mattress that costs less than other popular models. Second, it feels firmer than other foam mattresses, making it ideal for those who want foam without a super cushy feel. Another perk, it's almost always in stock on Amazon since it's not made to order and arrives within days, which is a big deal if you need a mattress quickly. The industry is notorious for its shipping delays. Even though it's lower priced, our reviewers gave this pick high marks across the board, from the ordering process and setup to the comfort and support. Several commented on liking its firmness, and one user who's had it for 5 years told us, "My Tuft and Needle mattress is so much more comfortable than any mattress I've ever had in the past. My husband and I both experience much less back pain." Our reviewers also highlighted the motion isolation and said they couldn't feel movement from sleeping partners. The only real complaint was that there wasn't much edge support, so it may sag when you sit on the sides. Number 2. Purple Mattress. Best cooling mattress. There are a lot of similarities between most mattress materials, but Purple is unique because of its gel flex grid, an elastic top layer that feels squishy, yet, surprisingly, firm, and provides both support and pressure relief, along with excellent motion isolation and breathability. In fact, this airflow helps it feel cooler than other mattresses, even those with added cooling features. Testers noted that the cooling capabilities were obvious, saying it felt noticeably cooler than other beds they'd owned, and ultimately led to better sleep. On top of that, our panelists swore it felt like the perfect combination of soft and firm. As one put it, "It's springy and conforms to my body, while still being supportive." Others described it as feeling like sleeping on air, and like floating in every sleeping position. They also told us they couldn't feel their partners moving throughout the night, thanks to its motion isolation. The main issue with this one is that several told us the delivery took longer than expected. Number 3. Casper Original Mattress. Best boxed mattress. Casper has a variety of mattress that are popular among our survey panelists, but its all-foam original model has zoned layers that are designed for spine alignment, with a softer feel around the shoulders and firmer around the hips, waist and lower back. This makes it especially good for side and back sleepers. The purchase includes free shipping, but like most boxed mattresses, you'll need to set it up on your own. We've surveyed more than 250 Casper mattress owners. Most gave the mattresses high scores and liked how well the mattresses have kept their shape over time. When it comes to the all-foam model, users especially liked the ease of ordering and setup, as well as the 12-inch height that isn't too tall and fits sheets nicely. One user on our panel liked how well it conforms to your body, while a second one pointed out it helps with motion transfer much more than the old inner spring mattress I had. Another reviewer told us, "It is extremely comfy, so comfy that we bought two more for other beds." The company recently updated its entire mattress assortment, and we are currently testing the one model pictured here. It's similar to the original, but it costs several $100s less. The queen size is under $1,000 and it doesn't have zone support. The original may be phased out as a result of this assortment update, but you can currently buy it online. Number 4. Purple Restore Hybrid Mattress. Opt for the firm option of the Purple Restore if you're a back sleeper, because it's specifically designed with your sleep type in mind. We found that even the firm option offered conforming adaptive comfort. The brand's proprietary Gel Flex grid also creates pressure relief. It is worth noting that the Gel Flex requires an adjustment period and may feel peculiar at the start. Purple affords users a 100-night trial to make sure it's right for them. As Wu explains, memory foam mattresses mold around the body with cushioning and support. They also tend to provide motion isolation better than other types of mattresses. They can be suitable for all sleep styles, but the ability to distribute weight makes them a particularly good option for side sleepers by offering pressure relief. One thing to be mindful of is that memory foam tends to retain heat, so it's a good idea to pick a mattress that features cooling elements such as perforations in the foam. Number 5. Zinus Green Tea, Best Budget Box Mattress. Senior editor Megan Mowry has been sleeping on the Zinus Green Tea mattress for years, maintaining that it is the best budget mattress in a box, and one of the best overall options. Over 54,373 Amazon shoppers have given it 5 stars for an average 4.5-star rating, making it one of the top sellers on the marketplace. Despite the affordable price point, the mattress offers a supportive, multi-layer memory foam infused with green tea and cooling gel, making it a great option for hot sleepers. You can choose from a variety of thickness options, ranging from 6 inches firmer to 12 inches plusher. Mowry opted for the plusher option, noting that it arrived in a tall, thin box weighing just under 50 pounds, was easy to unwrap, and had zero chemical smell to it. She does recommend following the directions and giving the mattress 72 hours to decompress and re-inflate. Not only does it live up to its cooling claims, but Mowry found the perfect medium between the comforting softness of my favorite memory foam topper and the supportive firmness of a traditional inner spring, great for both stomach and side sleeping. No matter her position, she feels supported and comfortable and wakes up with zero aches or pains, nor any stiffness or soreness around her neck or hips. Number 6. Nectar Premier Copper. Anyone who suffers from back issues understands how sleeping on an uncomfortable mattress for just one night can result in insufferable pain. A mattress that does not provide sufficient support can lead to worsening back pain because it places the spine in an abnormal position, which can also result in nerve irritation, which can cause sciatica symptoms traveling down the legs. Deputy shopping editor Raina Gallia suffered from neck and back pain before discovering the Nectar Premier Copper. This 5-layer hybrid mattress offers the stabilizing support of memory foam with breathable and cooling copper technology to combat overheating. The mattress is heavy at around 100 pounds and requires 2 people to carry and set up, but the struggle is worth it. Gallia notes that the bed is quite substantial and thicker and taller compared to other boxed mattresses. I was also immediately impressed by how plush and comfortable the mattress was, and the silky smooth / cooling sensation of the copper threading, she says. As for the smell, the initial faint odor dissipates within hours,